Welcome back to Monster Train, everybody. Here we are yet again trying to escort the pyre to relight the fires of hell and all that good stuff. And gonna continue down the expert challenge track here, though. I'm gonna cheat a bit and go back to the homework challenge, which is just no previews, so it shouldn't really change much. We lost last time, just had a pretty crappy run, I guess. Pretty confident in this one, and it's something between a challenge, not a challenge. So we're gonna try to use that one. Finally knock this one off, so I can cross it off the list. So yeah, we'll give it a go. Random. We got Melting Remnant, Hellhorn. I've been wanting to get more practice with the Melting Remnants. This is fine. Get some Purifying Cleanses, Molting Imps, and Sacred Wicks. All pretty reasonable. And we finally get a different boss. That's kind of cool. Though this is one that's pretty scary, so there's that. With the 2 Purifying Cleanses, I'm very interested in getting the Burnout Rector, so hopefully we get there. Let's check out our artifact. Extra summon abilities or enemies get -1. We have the Molting Imps for summon abilities, but I don't know, Ashes have Fallen just doesn't really ever impress me very much. Getting a double effect on this just doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm not too worried about that. I'd rather just take the Winged Indulgence. Helps throughout the run, really. Okay, perfect. We got the Burnout Rector, so we're gonna go with him, and hopefully we can draw our Burnout Extenders. Enemy units on each floor. We have torches, we have imps. I think this is safe enough. Alright. Oh, and they have reduced attack as well. That's actually pretty relevant. Ooh, drew the imp. That's awesome. Okay, so we'll want to do that on the top floor, 100%. And these guys aren't even going to damage the pyre with the attack reduction, so I don't need to worry about them at all. So I guess I'll just play Rector here, play a Dreg behind it, and just kill both these guys. Sacred Wig's not doing much. I'm not going to burn it, though. It might actually be useful down the road here. Okay, let's get Torch pickup. We can kill that guy. Then definitely extend the Burnout on our Sham. And let's see, that's gonna kill, that's gonna kill. Yeah, I'll get a Train Steward going here, and then these guys are hitting floor 2 and then 6. I guess I'll just set up on floor 2. I don't think it's gonna matter. I'm pretty sure the bottom floor is gonna kill everything. There's our Respite. We'll play another Dreg. Train Steward, Dreg. Doesn't matter. Okay, we didn't get extra Burnout extension, but 3 should be enough. So let's go. Alright. Easy first fight. We get Hollow Drippings, pretty good. We are still looking for ways to make sure the champion doesn't die here. Dripfall's alright. I don't know about Giraffe. Yeah, I'll take the Drippings, it's fine. And let's see. Don't think I want a Horn Break. The torches are doing an okay job for now. Could take a third Molting Imp. But we already have 2. I'm not that excited about it. While their helper also. Yeah, I think I'll just skip. I feel like a while back I basically always skipped imps, and then I stopped doing that. And I think I should go back to basically always skipping imps. They really clutter up the deck pretty badly unless you're doing some very specific things. Alright, let's go here. Large Stone, Weak Stone, Strike Stone. Okay, interesting set. Okay, we get the Harvest Baron or the Harvest Tycoon. We are strong enough early game that I could see taking the Tycoon being reasonable and just getting rich, but I just like the Baron quite a lot. It's a really powerful, powerful creature here, so I'm gonna grab that one. Could large stone it? It's not insane. You do like to be able to throw crap in front of it, but we can still throw dregs and imps in front of the Wickless Baron here, even with that. Yeah, I guess that's fine. I'm not going to use Strength Stone, though. I'd like to give it multi-strike at some point. So I'm just going to skip out on this, I think. And I want to pay for a Purge, perhaps. Let's see what we got. A Merchant of Magic coming next, so I'm going to save my money. And also potentially look for a spell reward off of this to do something with. Don't mind the armor. We have pretty high attack champion here. Those are going to make these units in the back harder to take out, I guess. Alright, so Rector in the front. Actually, it doesn't kill this, funnily enough. You and can't for what attack. I don't care about that. So I'm definitely going to do all of this. And then I guess I just play the Baron with it. Please finish this guy off. It's top, and just the Collector spawns there. Alright, got there on the Collector. Yeah, I guess the 10 armor actually matters because it means Rector doesn't one-shot these guys anymore, but well. Let's see if we can't finish things up on the next floor. So Train Steward plus Dreg should kill this guy. I guess I may as well play an extra one. And throw some torches at this one. I don't know. Don't think it matters much. Let's play Magic Imp. That can restore a drag. I mean, why not? Just kind of playing our cards here. None of this really matters because their bottom floor is just going to kill. Ooh, that's not particularly strong. Maybe this floor doesn't kill. Let's play an extra steward here, and then I guess I'll torch this guy a couple times. No, we still kill. Okay. Easy, easy. Another Purifying Cleanse. Still don't mind that. Dripfall and Molded. I don't know how much I care about Molded. I have Sacred Wicks for like a little bit of a refill. Dripfall's pretty good, but you know, I'm just gonna keep taking Purifying Cleanses. I think they're really solid. Hidden Passage could be good here. Definitely could see Hidden Passage. Vent's pretty nice as well. But let's go with the Passage and... Ooh, Legion of Wax, okay. When's the next Merchant of Steel? Right here, okay. Yeah, I think I'm into Legion of Wax then. And with the Hidden Passage we might be able to move stuff onto its floor, which will be good. It's not going to be very strong right now because, well, it's an 8-8, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm still going to go this way, continue picking up units. Let's see what we find at this merchant. Is double stack any good? It's not super exciting. And 10 magic cost reduction, fine. Okay, another Legion of Wax. That's interesting. Is two of them crazy? Probably. Do I still want to do it? Kind of. Probably should just take Big Sludge. It's a pretty solid unit. It's another 3 tile, which is a little bit tricky, but I think we'll have room. Let's check out the cave. Okay, so I can either get the higher health restore or the... I'm actually going to take Bone Shine here just because we're doing well enough in the run at the moment that I think we can squeeze this in on a turn somewhere, and it's just kind of free value. So it's fine. Alright, double stack, I'm not interested. 10 magic power is fine, though. Probably just on a cleanse. And cost reduction. Don't want to pay 25 gold for 5 fire health. Not that much. I think I'll just put this on Hidden Passage. And I'm not going to worry about the reroll. I want to have a lot of cash going into this one. We might even pick up another unit, so there's going to be a lot to do. And we should be fine here. Okay. Let's see. So I guess I put these guys on one floor. Yeah, it seems fine. Sure, so we'll go Rector plus Sludge. Extend the burnout. These really aren't doing much for me. Play them up here, I guess. Alright, then I can go Wickless. I guess I could do Wickless on the bottom. It's 3 tiles. It's not going to get very many kills, but I guess stuff will die in front of it. Nah, let's just put it up here and it's fine. You can continue to get this. Torch here. Get another drag down. And this guy won't even die. I'm not going to play him then. Okay. Playing this Legion of Wax doesn't really accomplish much, so I'm just gonna take this turn to Bone Shine, I think. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just restore 15 health. Okay. Probably shouldn't have done on that floor, but not a huge deal. Those are annoying. It's definitely that. Let's see, I only have the one torch, so can't fix anything there. Guess I'll Sacred Wicks. Play these guys up here. Torch you, I guess. I mean, at this point, I might as well play these guys. Alright, sure, and 4, torch the boss. Alright, here's my hidden passage. Doesn't really do much. I guess I'll move this guy. Why not? Got one of these. Not too worried about this here. Tome, Wickless Recruitment, and Dark Deal. Is Dark Deal any good? I don't have anything with like Sweep or Multi-Strike at the moment, so it's not that good, but it's not bad. And Tome's just too expensive. We don't have a way to generate extra energy. Yeah, I'll take Deal. There's ways to make that work down the road. Do I want any of you? Wickless Tycoon's the only consideration, I think, but at the moment, what am I doing? Let's think about that. I'm gonna go Legion of Wax on one floor, then Rector plus Sludge on another floor, and then I'm trying to just put the Wickless Baron through the hidden passage with one of them, ideally. Wickless Tycoon kind of does a similar thing, but it's not that strong a unit, ultimately. I think it's just a skip. We don't need that many units. And then do I want draw or energy? I certainly don't need space. And I think draw is better. Let's go with draw. And we'll go this way, again, for the Merchant of Steel primarily. There's another one coming here, but I think it's still worth it. Potentially visit 2 in a row, even. Let's see what this unit is. Well, this would have been cool. 15's another big one. It's starting to be hard to fit everything at that point. I should have looked at the Merchant, of course, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, with just the one hidden passage, I think it's another skip. This should hopefully be enough. Quick. Is quick any good? It's pretty good on Sludge. Sludge does hit pretty hard, pretty quickly. So don't mind that. 25 health. Probably wants to go on the Legion of Wax. Seems fine. Yeah, I'll give this guy quick. Don't think I'm gonna put Rage 7 on anyone. Just do a quick reroll. Endless. Endless is interesting. Could have an Endless Molting Imp if I wanted. It's actually not insane. And then we just have attack and health. That's what I've been looking for. I want to multi-strike one of these guys, or ideally both of them. And then I want to, like, probably not large stone this. I don't quite know what I want to do with it. But I just want to make it a uber tank. Or am I going to need the damage output? I think just an uber tank's okay. And then, yeah, you know what? Let's try an Endless Molting Imp. Why not? I wish I'd picked up the extra summon abilities thing, but what can you do? And our champion's most certainly just gonna get a buffer here. Spell Shield 2, that's probably fine. We do have the torches, but we're relying on them too heavily. Alright. Now, unfortunately, we haven't Ascend, and we're going to be probably deploying here, but I guess we can deploy the Legion at the top and try to send something into it, maybe. But I do want to fight these guys near the bottom here. It just makes a lot of sense. And the nice thing about this build is it's a little bit flexible because we can put 2 different things with the Rector, and they both do pretty okay. Or shoot a couple times. So Sludge wants to go here so that I can ascend it later. This can get played here. Then if I put a dreg here, that should give me... Oh, that won't actually give me the kill because of quick. That's a little bit awkward. And there's no way to get to the Collector, I don't believe. Maybe if I didn't play the Sludge here, there would have been, but I think it's too important to set that up correctly. I guess I'll put this in the back then. That's fine. And then I can play 1 up here, but I need 4 space for other stuff. Okay, there's our Legion. Can't do a whole lot else. This is already killing. Shadow. Burn 1 spell shield in there. Alright, there's our Ascend. I will Ascend this guy. I think that makes sense. Also lets me potentially do stuff with this Molting Imp if I want. I mean, sure, why not? Yeah, that's fine, whatever. Right, let's dark deal you, I guess. One's there. Yeah, I guess killing one of these is like pretty reasonable here. I don't even know if I want to endless this imp right now. Let's just do that. Which I'm not gonna bother with the wicks. I assume this just wins. Yep. Okay, great. Go for extra coins. Let's see. Memento Mori, Fatal Melting, Vitibri. I don't think I'm interested in any of these. We don't really have that many units die. One alloy. It's pretty good. I mean, we have a lot of healing already, but it's never bad to have an extra 25 armor in your pocket, I think. Alright, so you can go second Merchant of Steel plus remove, or duplicate plus concealed caverns. Is there anything super good to duplicate? Not really. I can duplicate the passage or whatever, but I think for now I'm just gonna continue going to Merchants of Steel. Maybe we'll duplicate down the road somewhere. Get a large stone if we want. Back in health. Those aren't great. I mean, I could large stone. No, I can't even large stone that, so never mind. Yeah, I don't want to large stone these guys. That screws up the math a little bit too much. So it's probably just a reroll. I'm really just looking for a multi strike for them. Yeah. Quick instead. Yeah, just not that interested in quick. 5-5 and burnout. I can give this thing burnout. Is that good? I don't think it is. Oof. This was a pretty massive miss. We could start removing some train stewards, which is good. Let's see where we're going next. Magic Merchant plus more remove, or another Merchant of Steel. Okay, so I might want my cash. So let's hold on to it for now. 15 armor. I think we can do it. We're also at 105 pyre health, so we can afford a little bit of messing up, as it were. I guess these guys being stealthy on the bottom is pretty annoying. I think I have to do the same setup I did last time, though. I don't think I can discriminate too much from that. I guess I could go Legion here, then go Rector plus something at the top, and try to elevator something behind the Legion. Kinda works. Lets me sort of avoid this first floor. You know what, let's try it. So you there, you there. Let's just get a steward out of my deck, I guess. Okay, here's Sludge. So we're guaranteed to draw a Wickless Baron next turn. So we're going to deploy him there. So let's just go Sludge at the top. Put the armor on this, actually. Since our champion's gonna get a bunch of Purifying Cleanses anyway. And then, I don't want to give this Harvest trigger, so I'm not going to play the Drags down there. Okay, here's the Baron. Unfortunately, I'm gonna lose one of these here. Don't mind doing this. And then I guess one more. Sure. There's the hidden passage, that helps. Of course, play all these, because it's just free. Fortunately, I'm not going to get any hits on this overcharge tank, or even this. That's going to hurt quite a lot. This is going to die, so what's he going to go to? He needs 10 armor, so 25, 130. So if I could deal him 10 damage, but I can't, so I guess that's moot. Play an imp here. I could kill one of these. That doesn't even matter much. After this wave, we're fine. It's just this wave was bad. What about this? That puts me to 50. It's not even enough. I'll still do it, but... Well, that hurt. At least he didn't have a buffed attack or anything, but that was obviously not ideal. Build this up. It's dying. This is fine. Okay, random drag. And I guess torch, sure. Oh wait, this wasn't fine. Oops. Well, that's unfortunate. So this guy's gonna go through again, though not at nearly as much health. Sure. Unfortunately, I can't eliminate these guys because of the extra armor, which might be a little bit bad. Because they are doing quite a lot of damage. Should still be okay here, but that was a little bit unpleasant. Took a big chunk of damage there. I don't know that the trail was worth it, but it's alright. Reform, remove. This does remove the melee weakness thing, which is kind of nice. I might pick this up. And let's see, second imp. That's actually pretty good with the endless imp. Let's try it as well, sure. It's now the question is, do I shop for additional multi-strike? I think it's important enough that I want it. I need more damage. So let's fish for that over doing these, even though that is good. The fire health here helps as well. Wow, we are getting nothing but quick. Kinda hate it. Yeah, no, the rest of this helps. So. Okay, there's a multi-strike finally. I think Sludge scales a little bit better than Baron, so I'll start there. It's quick as well. And I'll probably end up doing a bunch of purging here. Let's see. So next circle, probably end up going this way, and then we'll go to another Merchant of Steel at the very end. Seems reasonable. So I'll at least get rid of the last of the Train Stewards. It's a little bit late in the run to still have those in the deck. Let's go fight Fell. Removes buffs, which are the green things. Okay, so that would remove spell shield, I guess. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, I guess we'll just do these guys on the bottom. That's fine. The quick is actually sort of awkward to the Rector. You generally want him attacking first. There we go. I don't even think this matters, but sure. Let's play it, and this can go here. Okay, that's not bad. So we can go Legion, Baron, immediately ascend the Baron. I go ahead and cleanse that. Maybe that wasn't good, but it is what it is. And I guess he's never dying. Can't really do much to improve the situation here. This doesn't change the math, so let's do it. Man, it's gonna be rough. Let's go drag, and sure, I'll do you 2 damage. A little tempted to pick up capacity from this boss and have the ability to like play the imp and stuff in front of our 5 floors. Seems like it could be good. You're doing fine. Let's just give you some armor. It's just dying this turn, 32. I'm dealing 28. So I could. Oh no, I have spell shield, so I can kill it with that. Let's kill these guys. Play a couple more dregs here. I think the quick on this Sludge actually ended up hurting me, which is kind of funny. Oof. Alright, well, Dart Deal gets a lot better now that we have multi-strike. Cleanse is of course great. Let's see, this is awkward because it's gonna get eaten up by Spell Shield. I guess I don't even bother then. Let's just torch you. Who knows? This guy finally scaled to be pretty good. This floor's not doing great though. You have 30, 48. We're not dealing even close to that. I think ascending this guy up ahead actually makes sense. It just means his buff won't affect this guy, which is helpful. Guess I can do this. A couple of random powered up dregs. I don't think I can do anything here, really, so let's just torch the boss. Alright, took some damage there. It's not great. I imagine we'll be fine here, but let's find out. Ha. Oh, not even. Oh no, okay. I was gonna say not close to fine, but very close to fine. We're gonna be totally okay on the next floor. Some more torches, I guess. 32 damage. It's a lot. No, maybe. No, I don't even think I take this alloy. Survival's not a problem. It's being able to kill stuff. And I will take Light of Seraph here so we can deploy some things in front of some of our setups. Alright, 300. I think the free artifact is probably better than the Merchant of Trinkets. We can use the health as well. Extra armor or stuff for imps. This is pretty good. We have an endless imp after all, so it's just free energy and card draw every turn. Because we don't have much in terms of armor synergy. Yeah, so let's take Queen's Tail. Finish out our champion upgrade. And then see what we can do here. Don't think I'm too interested in removing Consume from those things. I will definitely upgrade a torch with this. Cost reduction on... I mean, sure. Just because it's cheap. Okay, Permafrost is interesting. Permafrost and resin removal is good. Permafrost and Impressive is okay. I'll take it on this. And then power up another torch, it's useful. And probably don't even bother with this one, honestly. Alright. Not feeling super confident going into this. Full health restore when they move up a floor. No, no thanks. Yeah, that's Ember Drain here too. It's gonna be rough. Right, I probably can't take... Yeah, I can't take the full health restore. It's just too scary for a pyre. If we don't finish something off all the way. Alright. Big sweeps McGee here. Yeah, I mean, there's not much I can do except just go for it here. I'll play the Imp as well. Well, that means I'm not playing Legion. No, that's fine. No Legion of Wax. Can't do much about that. No reason to torch. I'll give this some armor, actually. Let's see. Okay. So this is just free. So that's okay. Purifying Cleanse, of course. And then I do want to kill this. Guess I'll play Wickless Baron here. It's fine. Play a couple of dregs in front of it. Okay, it's all good. Let's go Imp. Impressive. Other Imp. I can't get rid of any of this stuff with this. Sacred Wicks. Gets me another Imp back, which doesn't really do anything. Just play a couple of dregs, get them out of the way. At least this thing's scaling out of control, that part's nice. Hidden Passage not doing much here. So, go Imp. Dark Wheel is fine. Just get rid of that torch, I guess. Extend my burnout, and... yeah, no reason to send here. Imp actually didn't manage to die. And awkward. Let's heal you. And guess I'll actually triple torch this. Got to kill it. darn. Don't have quite enough energy. Unless this hits an imp. Nope. Okay, well that's unfortunate then. So I'll play one of these here. And be sad. Yeah, Ember Drain sucks. I imagine we're still okay, but... Okay. Formless Child, Remnant Host, Fatal Melting. No, none of that seems exciting. Second Impressive is fine. Again, we have that M, so just being able to deal 50 is pretty good. Yeah. And the question is, do we go for this final Merchant of Steel as I'd originally planned to try and finish off the one upgrade on the Wickless Baron? It would help, though. Really seems like Rector Flicker plus Big Sludge is primarily our plan here. Versus I go for more removes and creating some magic. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Get a Hellvent here as well, which is maybe relevant. Humans get 3 health. Can't play anything else. Okay. More large stones. No. Well, maybe actually. It's not that bad to put another large stone on this, but it's not good either. This other crab doesn't help me. Let's reroll. Okay, we found multi-strike. That's big. I guess I can't afford much else, so I'll just put Rage on, I don't know, a drag. Alright, I think I duplicate the Sludge still. I just want to be able to draw them. They are still better. And I have the hidden passages to kind of do stuff. So let's make an extra Sludge and I'll give you 10 attack. Sure. Who knows? Maybe that'll do something. I am scared of this boss. I think other versions of the boss I'd be a lot happier with. Ooh, this being 5 also actually kind of sucks. And we're a little bit short on energy once again, so that means no Legion of Wax right now. I think we'll... Man. Yeah, I want to have room to use my Imp on the bottom, so I'm going to play these guys here. Use this, of course, and probably worth clearing this guy out. We found the Imp. It's helpful. Still gonna take... Actually, I'm not gonna take a hit this turn. Interesting. Alright, so... The question becomes... It's just 30 health. This gains just health when it kills something. Okay, I might just deploy the Sludge this turn, use the Imp down here. And our champion should be okay for a little bit. I can put some random drag here just to prevent a little damage. Oh, I guess that rallies. I should maybe not have done that. I'm not gonna cleanse as 10 burnout and do anything this turn, so there's no point. Play one of these here, and let's play one at the top as well. I forgot about the Quick here as well. That's actually pretty relevant. Okay, so what's gonna happen here? Quick doesn't do anything, so we're gonna go kill, 14, 14, 23. So this guy's super dead. Can I do anything about that? Doesn't feel like I can. pretty unfortunate. I do want to resin remove that melee weakness. That'll help. Yeah, that's... Man, that sucks. Can't even play this, really. Yeah, I guess I just... No, I don't even bother because it's gonna buff the boss. And this turned out a little bit awkward. Oh well. We're a one floor team here. Now I draw a hidden passage. Thanks, game. Okay, so Molten Imp here makes a ton of sense. I can sacrifice it as well. It's fine. If I double torch this to prevent the damage, it's going to buff the boss by quite a bit. So I actually think I don't. Let's see, you're going to hit 66 times 2. I guess I'm at 190 health. You deal something. I actually think I ascend one of these guys and then put a drag up here. Should be fine. And then, yeah, I'm not gonna torch there, so let's just do this. Should use this as well. That's kind of interesting. We can't do anything with it, unfortunately. Okay. It's fine. So we'll take double damage from this guy, and, or is it gonna die? 148. So it's gonna survive, hit us. And then, yeah, we're fine there. So let's go in. Sure. It's pretty good. Skip out on this for now. I hate to skip out on Dark Deal, so I think I'll still use Dark Deal. You can take some damage. Don't really need the second imp. I guess I could... That doesn't even do anything to play it up here, really. It's fine. Okay, there's a hidden passage. That actually helps, sort of.
Does it?
Yeah. So I could move the Wickless Baron up here. Let's definitely do that. But that means no more room for the imp. But then you start deploying the imp down here. It just means the melee weakness is going to be a bit harder to deal with. Also means casting multiple spells into the Seraph here, which is not great. When are we... Okay, we're drawing resin removal soon, and a bunch of healing. Yeah, I think this is actually fine. We'll play this here. Hidden passage, and then as well deploy the Legion up there. Nice. So I can resin remove, heal up to basically full here. Let's see. Torches aren't doing much. I want to impressive you. Doesn't really help this turn. Or does it? Let's see, one. Yeah, no, not quite. Alright. Ouch. It's the final wave, so our champion doesn't have any spell weakness or melee weakness, which is great. This still has all its abilities, so I don't even want to play the Imp down. Well, maybe I do want to play the Imp down, because eliminating the Shade Wing is a pretty big deal. Definitely want to do this, definitely want to do this. Yeah, I think this is worth it. Hidden Passage, not quite. Though, I guess I can move this tank out of the way. It's gotta help. Here's where I wish I had a preview, but buffing the boss could possibly change things. I assume healing's good, because right now it's killing us in 4 hits, right? 4 times 30 is 120, and then 4, so 124. If I heal to full, it's going to only have 32 attacks, so I'll buy me an extra hit, basically. So that's got to be worth it. Oh, I guess I also take... No, I don't take any damage from this, because it's going to kill it, yeah. So this is definitely worth it. The torches are not, I imagine. Guess I'll play an Imp here. Oh, it's not a great time for this either. Alright, let's just pray. Oh, we're close. But this thing has like no attack. Oh no. Okay, so this is gonna one-shot anything it touches. I deal 300 damage. Oh, I think I'm just short. This is unfortunate. I have no way of buffing this. I could heal it and then dark deal it. Is that good? Could impressive the Imp. Don't even draw cards, not that they would do anything. Oh, I think we just barely lost. It's really unfortunate. The Pyre can right now take 2 hits. That's an extra 80 damage. So it's like 260. Yeah, and this is gonna deal very little damage, unfortunately, if I just had any way to buff this. But as is, I think my best bet is to cast Impressive and nothing else and just lose. Feels real bad. Me too. I guess I can throw a couple of torches at it, but... Oh, I forgot how much health these have. That changes things a little, but not enough. Wow, we're close. Oh, man. That's brutal. I can't believe we're losing on the homework challenge. It feels bad. Yeah, that was really, really close. Like, one slightly better thing that we do earlier in the fight, and we win for sure. Like, if we just got 2 more hits on our Big Sludge, it's definitely a win, but... Well, real close there, real close, and you know, the lack of preview keeps the suspense going, so that's pretty fun. We'll get this one. I'm confident we'll get this one, but for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one.